We're going to literally have to hold the $100 and stretch it like a rubber band. Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies and the Bag, and today we are doing a low income cash stuffing in our cash wallet. Before we begin the video, let's go ahead and jump into our positive quote box to see what today's positive quote is. And it reads, "You deserve a break." Girl, I needed this message because I don't take no breaks. Okay, I keep going. I just keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going till I'm drained. Until I'm drained. So this message is definitely for me. Aw, okay, I'll take a break someday. I don't know yet. But you guys, let us take a break. Step away for a minute from all that we have going on. Let us take that break, okay? There is a dog somewhere outside. I don't know where. They keep barking. I could hear them loud and clear because I'm right here in my living room by my glass door. I don't know what's happening. At this point, I really want to go step outside and go see what's going on. Let me go look real quick. Okay, so there's one of my neighbors outside walking her dog, which I'm thinking there's another dog at someone else's apartment. I think they're communicating, y'all. They just keep going. They are so cute though. Oh my god, like I just saw that dog. It's the cutest dog I've ever seen. But I think they're having a conversation. But the girl is leaving now, realizing that the barking is getting less. I'll be trying to have peace and quiet in my videos. I even turn off my AC, okay? Because I don't like the way it sounds in my videos. Dogs are having conversations, y'all, in our video. But that's okay because we like dogs. They're cute. Anyways, let's get into the video. So today we only have $100 to stuff in our wallet. We're gonna have to make that $100 work. We're going to have to stretch that $100. We're going to literally have to hold the $100 and stretch it like a rubber band. How many times have you had to stretch a certain amount of money? 150, whatever it is. Today is one of those days when we're gonna have to stretch. Okay, so today we are stretching $100 for this week. Moving forward, we're going to be stuffing our cash wallet weekly. We're trying to get on schedule with everything, so weekly stuffings are gonna happen here. So we have our $100 right here, turned all type of ways. I know, don't say anything. Oh my god, my boyfriend would kill me if he saw me with all this money like turned the wrong way. Like he's weird when it comes on to money turned the wrong way. Like, all right, so here we have $100. We have 20, 40, 60, 80 in 20s. We have a 10 and we had 2 5s. Okay, so let's start the stuffing. For allowance this week we only have $20 to spend, literally. So we're going to have to pull and stretch that $20 bill so it can last us for this week, honey. I don't really have anything major planned. I'm not trying to be outside this week or anything. So hopefully we could pull that off. So we have $20 stuffed into allowance. Moving on to household, it's the same thing, girls. Okay, $20. We only have 100. We have to make it work. What are we gonna do? Can't do nothing but make it work. So $20 for household is what we have. Moving right along, we have groceries. This week food stamp comes in, so we should be fine, but I'm still going to go ahead and add a little $15 to groceries just in case we need it. You know, never know. So groceries, let's add our $15. Moving right along, we have eating out, and for eating out we are going to add $20 as well. So let's add our $20 to eating out. I mean, there's times when we have to stretch money. I mean, it happens to everyone. So for gas, we also have $20 as well. So we're gonna go ahead and add our $20 into gas. Y'all know I'm home. I'm a homebody. I don't really go outside, okay? My boyfriend mainly drives my car. So you know, he always buys gas, but I always put it in just in case, you know, I have like a travel appointment or something and it's running low on gas. I could just put the $20 in there. And then last but not least, I have my daughter, and for my daughter I'm only added $5 to her. I normally have this just for toys or, you know, little things, candy or smoothie or whatever, if me and her happens to be on the road and there's something that she likes and wants. That's what this envelope is for. And basically that completes the stuffing today. So we have $100 stuffed away in our cash wallet, and we are ready for the week. We're starting off this week with $100. I don't know when I'm posting this video, but today's Saturday, so I'm recording this Saturday, and we're starting off the first week of October. Tomorrow is Sunday, October 1st. So this is for Sunday through Saturday, and then Saturday we'll do another cash wallet stuffing again. So hopefully we're gonna see how we stretch this cash throughout the week. We're gonna see how that goes. Wish me luck, y'all. But we're gonna stretch it, and then on Saturday we're gonna see if we have anything left over that we didn't spend and stuff like that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, baby girl, you need to go ahead and subscribe. Share the videos, like the videos, comment below. It's okay, I don't bite. Check out my website, the link is in the description. And I do have these cash wallets for sale on my website, so go ahead and check that out if you are interested. I will definitely see y'all in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.